Alright, and I'm going to have to get through this video pretty quickly. I might skip one of them, number 9, and do it at the very end. This shouldn't take long. So number 8, again, I'm going to show you the shortcut. So it's asking which expression is equivalent to 5x to the 4th to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 6 times x to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1/2. So again, that's kind of a lot going on, and we know we're looking for something that's equivalent. So how will we know it's equivalent? They're going to be the same. That's what it means. So first of all, okay, I only have an x here, so I can go on ahead and put it in just the way I see it. All right, be careful with your exponents, but put it in just like that. So you go to Desmos, and you're going to type in parentheses 5x to the power of 4, close out the parentheses, raise that to the power of 3, then do another parentheses, x to the power of 6, close that out, and then to the power of 1/2. Alright, notice it does it for you. Notice it graphed it. So, check one of your answers. Let's try C again for my name, see if it works. 15, x to the 9. Are those equal? Are those the same line? Heck no. So they are not equivalent. They are not equal. So it cannot be C. So go on ahead and try. To save some time, I'll eliminate one more. I'll eliminate A. So go try B and D and see which one gives you, the same line. Okay, so we know it wasn't C. It should match this red line. Skipping number 9 for right now. Yeah, so we'll skip over 9, and I'm going to go straight to 10 and 11 because this should be extremely easy for you. So we did learn how to simplify these radicals. However, this is the shortcut. You just check your answer. Which expression is equivalent? For the millionth time, equivalent is going to be equal. They're going to be the same. So you're going to plug this into Desmos. 7. Well, it doesn't really matter actually where you plug it in, which calculator. So you do 7 square root 48. Okay. And it's going to give you this decimal. Okay. Then you're going to check one of your answer choices. So for example, let's check B, 14 square root 24. 14 square root 24. Did those give us the same numbers? No. So are they equal? No. So they're not equivalent. So it's not B. So that's how you check it. To save time, I'll eliminate one more for you. So I'll go ahead and eliminate D. So you're checking A and C to see which one is equal, and you do the same thing for problem number 11. Type in the square root of 175. It's going to give you the decimal, and then you're trying to figure out which answer choice gives you that same decimal. So 7 to the square root of 5. 7 square root 5. No, they do not. So it cannot be A, the one I tried. So check out the other ones, okay? And then I will do number 9 on a separate video if you get to that chance, if you get to that video, okay?